Alright, here we go. It's been a couple of months since the Lost update, and not a lot has been done. Um, it's been summer. I don't know. Uh, I haven't really been I haven't really been spending a lot of time on this. Uh, but anyways, there's a couple of new stuff. So we can just start here by learning charge, and just so we don't die, because you die in like 2 hits. So we're just gonna equip some stuff, and we're gonna wait to regain our health, and we can charge them. So you can see that that's something new. There's a chest up there. We also have this combat log here, or not a combat log, an overall log. You attack Thug for 8 damage. That was my charge. I should probably say that I've used a charge to do it. You picked up Royal Chest Plate. You equipped Royal Chest Plate. So we have a nice little log down here. Uh, And yeah, one of these spiders were a baby spider. There's a bunch of baby spiders that do 1 damage. It was just to test having lots of enemies, and it worked well. Um, but they do have the same sprite, so I don't know if it's a normal one or if it's a baby spider. Let's see, new things. We have scrolls, we have potions. I don't think they were available in the last video I did. Here we have an amulet. It's unidentified. We have this neat little chest, an ordinary chest. What do you want to do? We can open it. We can destroy it. There's some gold there. We gain 8 gold. Gold will be dropped by enemies as well and automatically picked up when we step on them. But so basically only in containers you will actually see the gold sprites, because I hate games where I dislike when gold takes up an inventory tile or multiple inventory tiles. And I just changed how much gold there is, but there are 3 different sprites depending on the amount. So one with showing a bigger pile and a huge pile. Okay, so we got 2 scrolls here. We can try to use this. And this was an identify scroll. You can see you identified scroll of identify. And this tooltip is supposed to disappear. I think I've missed that. So we can click on an item. Let's do the amulet. And it's an amulet of haste. Okay. That doesn't actually do anything at all right now. I just created a couple of basic ones. The rings do stuff, but it's just like basic. And we can see amulet of haste. So this is also identified. We have a couple of potions. We can drink this red one. And same thing here with the tooltip. It doesn't go away. That's annoying. So it's just that you picked up question mark, question mark, question mark, but you identify a potion of health. Okay, that was a potion of health. Sweet. So we can see that that's an unidentified one, and this is a potion of health. So we can take some damage like that, and we can drink it, and plus 2 HP. Yay. Items aren't supposed to give this much stats. I just haven't changed these because, it's easier than I can just kill the first enemy and pick them up. Because I have, for now, disabled that the effects, they don't do anything on the enemies. They will, of course, in the real game, and it's just an on and off switch. I just keep it off because, I'm testing it. I don't want to die. And we can kill a couple of people here. So there's one more thing that we are going to look at. Okay, here we go. That's a ring. We can take that. And just like before, you can... Wait, wasn't this identify? No, okay, this is a scroll of healing. You can see we have those. It does a random amount, and that's a scroll of pain. So that is all the scrolls that exists in the game, and there's only those 3 right now. But the way to add scrolls and effects is quite easy. If I dare say so myself, I think I made a pretty good system for it. Okay, so we're just gonna run around until we can find a what's it called? Okay, we have 2 of these. We can use this, and you can see that this is a potion of strength. This potion gives you a strength boost. So we have this might buff up here. 5 plus strength. Effects every turn. 0% chance, 20 turns left. That's also not supposed to be visible. That's more for if you have a burn debuff or something on yourself, then maybe it has a 50% chance to actually deal damage. And you can see it's ticking down as we move. So one action is. I think that was 2 actions when I charged. I haven't tried that. I think it ticked down twice. So we are looking for a cursed chest. But I guess when I tested it, I made all the chests cursed. And now I just put like I think it's every fourth chest is supposed to be cursed. So we should be able to see one eventually. And as you can see, the levels don't scale. God damn it. The enemies doesn't scale with the levels yet. And that's a good thing. Okay, we found a hole. Do you want to jump in the hole? I mean, walk away, yeah. So we're on level 4, and we can jump down, and we just spawn at a random location. And now we spawn on level 6, so we jumped down 2 levels. It does depend on it. Okay, here we got the different sprites, a decent pile of gold. Because these do increase. Depending on the level you are at, you get different amounts. Come on, let me find a cursed chest. They are very obvious that something is wrong with them. I just put a very basic effect on them just to be able to see that they are in fact cursed. Okay, this was really annoying. Okay, next level. Come on. I don't remember how I set up the chest spawning, but I think more than 2 chests can spawn, but I think that's the default right now. So once I see 2, I'm just going to skip to the next level. I think there is a chance that as many chests as enemies can spawn, but it's a pretty low chance. Just to make sure I haven't actually... Maybe I missed the effect. No. The conversation or the dialogue will be different for the cursed chests. I thought maybe the effect is not enabled, but I believe it is. It's supposed to be. But come on, it's 1 in 4. I should be able to find one. At least we can see that the all the levels so far, they are quite different. I'm surprised actually at the how well the random dungeon generator actually worked. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's a cursed chest. So you can see it once we come into visible range, it starts to ooze purple squares, and we can see. Okay, we're gonna do nothing. I'm gonna get the teleport skill. Teleport you away. Max range 5. So we have that, and look at this effect. I really like this. It's really ugly, but look at this. Woo! Oh, I was so happy with that. I am so bad with animating, and I mean, basically all I'm doing is just one image that's just being pushed toward the center and hiding my character. But I really like this. I like it. Anyways, and the reason I picked it is because the chest is cursed. So this chest has a weird aura. What do you want to do? I want to open it, and it spawned enemies around me, and apparently it also spawned one under the chest. That's not supposed to happen. So that's just one of the effects that the. Okay, we're gonna take the fireball, and we're just gonna shoot it in the middle here, and all of these will get this light burn dot. Much simpler than attacking everyone. And we can see that I can get it on myself, and it'll last for 9 more rounds. And here it works. Effects of return. 100% chance to do 1 to 3 damage. each turn. And I mean that hurt quite a bit, but it will be adjusted before the game is released. Uh, but yeah, that was basically it. And I didn't mention it, but look at this smooth animation. And just to say, I did not create this chest. It was a free, um, whatever the copyright is called that you can use without giving anyone credit, the CC0. But this is, I don't know, I think it's beautiful. And you can of course you can destroy them and it just disappears. It's supposed to be some kind of, I mean, a cloud effect, and it will destroy a couple of items as well, or has a chance to destroy items. They're also supposed to maybe be locked, maybe not all of them, but some of them. Um, but yeah, this is it. It's I mean, it's not that much new stuff, but I mean, it's been summer, and summer is almost over. My son will start preschool next Tuesday, and that means I will get a lot more time. I can spend a lot more time doing this. It really annoys me when, you know, the enemies, if they are just walking around, they cannot enter this tile because this tile has a hole in it. Same with the chests. But if they are chasing me, and I haven't found this because it's a bug in my code, when they are chasing me, they don't see this as an unwalkable tile, and it really annoys me. I was pulling my hair out, almost pulling my hair out with it yesterday trying to find it. But um, anyways, that's it for now. One more time, look at that sweet effect. Oh, you can actually see a pixel here. If you look really close here, that pixel doesn't get removed. I'm gonna fix that because it's ugly as hell, but I like this. Um, I will make it a bit cooler, maybe more Star Trekky force field effect on the whatever the Star Trek door closing at me. Um, oh, maybe I can get the beam out effect. No, no, this is good enough. I like this. Uh, okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching this, and I hope you follow the continuation of the development of this game. This game, which right now is only called The Dungeon of Rika. I need a better name, but I'm not a creative sort. And just to say, I'm not a creative sort, and that's why this is a so far a blatant copy of every other dungeon like roguelike game that's out there. Hopefully, I will be able to get some cool, quite original stuff, but I mean that's a bit later. So I'm just gonna buff myself. Oh, you can see if you drink it twice, it will stack, and they do. I mean everything like that. It does persist. Right now the skill book opens because I was just testing it. It's always open when you start. It's not supposed to, but you can see it works. It's persistent, so you can turn the game off. You can continue is what I was going to say, but well, it crashed, and that means we're done. Thanks for watching.